Hey guys, I picked up these lights off of Amazon. They're 9-inch. I like the 9-inch versus the 7-inch instead of getting brackets. I wasn't going to do a review on it, but considering how much I like them, I'm going to go ahead and do that. And also kind of how to do it too. There's been some write-ups and I think some people are kind of worried about putting them on, but they're super easy. So this is how they look on the car. It's pretty good. I got side LEDs from eBay as well. Those were pretty painful to install. I may or may not do a how-to on that. Reviews are good. There was some issue with the side light not mounting into the front one. I think maybe manufacturing forgot to do something, but this one's going to be about these headlights. So they have a halo and there's a projector and LEDs inside, and the cutoff beam pattern's really, really good. Brightness dramatically increased. Really enjoy them so far. So to get to them, pretty much pop the hood. I'm gonna put this down for a second so I can get the rest of it. All right, so now that the hood is popped, to install them, it's really easy. All you have to do is take out these clips right here. So there's 6 of them, right? You just take, it's easiest if you take 2 screwdrivers if you don't have the right tool for it, and put it on each side of it, pull it up, and then the next part pulls up too. After you take those 6 off, this whole entire top part becomes loose. And inside down here, you have about 6 pop-in clips too. So pop them in, and then you just kind of start wedging them out like this. You know, you go down and you just start pulling and pulling. Whole thing comes out. And then there's 1, 2, 3 10mm socket screws in there, bolts in there. And that just slips out, and then you can put the new one in. Exact perfect fit, right? So I've run these ballasts over here. I'll zoom out a little bit for you. So right here, right? And it runs across. They get together over here. The best way for me was to remove the air box so it can go underneath. And then you have to ground the wire. So I have a grounding wire that goes to the battery. And the other part goes to the fuse box. So this is the fuse box, if you don't know where your fuse box is, right here. You open it up, you can see the wire that I added. So it comes with a fuse adapter that you can put in. I think it goes to number, I want to say 37, but it's right behind this yellow one, behind the screw. See the screw and then the yellow one back there, right? And what it does is it gives you a new fuse, and then it gives you the old one there too. A lot of people on the forums were saying use it for the heated seat one if you don't have heated seats. Works out pretty well. Again, super easy to install. Let me turn on the lights for you all and see if I can show you that. Yeah, so there it is on projector, right? And on the wall you can see that beam pattern. Look at that. It's so clean. It kind of reminds me of like the old S2000s beam pattern. Has a little bit of purple haze to it. All right, well, that's the next one, so I'll show you some more soon.